Welcome to Baby Pear UK channel.
Hello and welcome back. My name is Lily, and today we're going to colour the letter V for vulture. While we colour, we'll learn 10 fun facts about vultures and listen to an exciting story about Victor's sky-high adventure. So grab your crayons, sit back, and let's soar into the fascinating world of vultures. Number 1. Nature's clean-up crew. Vultures help keep the environment clean by eating dead animals, also called carrion. Number 2. Bald heads. Many vultures have bald heads, which helps them stay clean when they're eating messy meals. Number 3. Amazing flyers. Vultures are excellent flyers and can soar for hours without flapping their wings, using air currents to stay in the sky. Number 4. Incredible sense of smell. Some vultures, like the turkey vulture, have an amazing sense of smell, which helps them find food from far away. Number 5. Strong stomachs. Vultures have special stomach acids that are so strong, they can safely eat food that would make other animals sick. Number 6. Huge wingspans. Vultures have enormous wingspans. Some species can spread their wings up to 10 feet wide. Number 7. Great vision vultures have incredible eyesight, allowing them to spot food from high up in the sky. Number 8. Thermal soaring vultures use something called thermal soaring, where they ride warm air currents to save energy while flying. Number 9. Social birds vultures are very social and often gather in large groups to feed or rest together. Number 10. Important to ecosystems, vultures are crucial to keeping ecosystems healthy because they stop the spread of diseases by cleaning up dead animals. Let's listen to a small story about Victor the vulture's sky-high adventure. One bright morning, Victor the vulture spread his enormous wings and took off into the sky. With his huge wingspan, Victor soared high above the trees, barely needing to flap. He loved using thermal soaring, where warm air currents lifted him up, allowing him to glide for hours without getting tired. As Victor flew, he kept an eye out for his next meal. Vultures like Victor don't hunt live animals. Instead, they eat carrion, which are animals that have already passed away. It may sound gross to some, but vultures play an important role in keeping the environment clean. With his incredible eyesight and amazing sense of smell, Victor spotted something far below, a tasty meal. He swooped down with his bald head leading the way. His head was bald so it wouldn't get messy while eating. He landed next to his vulture friends who had already gathered to feast. Vultures are social birds and they love sharing a meal together. After eating, Victor's strong stomach handled the food that other animals couldn't eat safely. His special stomach acids kept him healthy and helped him clean up the environment. Full and happy, Victor flew back into the sky, soaring effortlessly with his vulture pals. As the day came to an end, Victor knew he had done his job, keeping the forest clean and safe. He was proud to be part of nature's clean-up crew, and he looked forward to another day of flying high and helping his ecosystem stay healthy. The end. Don't forget to subscribe as we continue exploring the animal kingdom and learning fun facts through wonderful stories.